भाई रुको यार। हरीश भाई सामने सामने। हरीश भाई लेफ्ट।
अरे तेरा कैमरा
राइट साइड
पीछे हो जाए वरना
तेरे साथ खुद के पहले चला एकदम आगे जाना तो
बस बस बस
हम या
साले पीछे क्यों आ रहा
नहीं मैं जी यहाँ पर मैम यार फर्स्ट मैम
इस साइड तेरी पीछे से देखो हाँ
एक बार उन लोग सब वेव कर दे
Thank you. Hi. Sorry. What's your name?
भाई लोग आप बैठो तो
Yeah.
एक्सक्यूज मी अच्छा ही इधर देख
इधर ऐसे देखेंगे
हाँ
अरे तेरा मचा रहा है कि अपना मचा रहा है
है ना ये साइड
और दा
आने दे इधर ही आने दे इधर ही आने देना पीछे
लुकिया बोलता भी लुकिया मैम लुकिया नहीं मैं राइट सर मैं यहाँ पे थैंक यू भाई
count down देने वाले हूँ, so let's wait for that. Okay, we have a countdown going on. Let's count with me, alright? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, stop. 5, 4,
जानी है. And now I'm handing over the mic to Miss Kushali. तो खुशहाली के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Come on everybody.
Thank you so much, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome back. We're so excited. Yes, I know you're wondering why I'm calling you back. So she's a fellow student, and we. Are you a junior? Right? I cannot believe it, but yes, we were so happy to have you in college, and we're really excited for the film. And while most of us have seen it, there are still a few people here who wanted to see it first, and hear you talk about it. So you know, we get a fair idea about why it's been such a way to talk about everywhere today. Now, to give you all a little gist, which you actually do not need, there's no need of introduction here. But Ayush sir here was in the very famous 2018 film Love Yatri, and while we were all wondering when we get to see you back on stage, back on the screen, we know that now that you are preparing for the film Andim, and the wait was always worth it. It always is, and it is this time as well. And speaking of Mahima, she is a student here at Thakur College, and it makes us so happy. It makes us so happy to see you back in your hometown, and talk about all the beautiful big adventures that we're doing. And she is not an old player, a new player. In fact, she is a very old player as well, just like her. And she has been a part of very well-known TV shows such as Balika Badu. And many more, I'm sure that all of you have had a chance to sometimes maybe speak to her, be friends with her, admire her, look at her. And today, Sir and Mahima are with us right in front of you on the stage. So can we give a huge round of applause? Right, let's show why Thakur College has the maximum amount of energy, and why all the wonderful guests like yourself, sir and ma'am, would like to come here again and again and again. So, is there something we'd be lucky to hear from you? Is there something you'd like to share about the film, both of you? What's up, Thakur?
I am so happy to be back, and nothing beats the feeling
proud, and right now I'm dealing with a lot of pride to be back at my very own college, and I'm just so happy. And right beside me is the star of the film, and that's Ayush Sharma. Over to you.
What's up, Harvard College? Why are you guys behaving so much, yeah? Like in college, we don't need to behave and all that. In college, have some fun. We need to enjoy ourselves. Don't worry, for the last 15 minutes, I was having a conversation with a beautiful principal, and I was asking ma'am, can we please break some discipline codes today? Because, yeah, so we were negotiating that for all of you so that you can have a lot of fun today. But most importantly, thank you so much, ma'am, for having us over. Thank you for giving us an opportunity. And thank you so much for a beautiful introduction. But most importantly, I am very happy here because, when we were shooting Antil, she used to keep talking about her, when she started when she was at the age of 9, and she was shooting, and she used to be in school, and she used to be traveling, and she used to come back for exams. And now she came to Thakur College, and she was constantly doing something or the other. And that really inspired me. Because most importantly, I would like to thank a beautiful principal, because sometimes what happens is that when we talk about acting, people always focus on education. They don't give the person a chance to go and act. And acting is always considered one of those extracurricular things. So first of all, a big round of applause for your principal for giving Mahima this shot. Now, thank you so much. I will also say that you're promoting acting, you're promoting your career into acting, and we have an example right in front of us who has made it in Antil.
Well. So we will never feel like it's enough after hearing whatever you have to say. We're going to make you keep talking throughout this event and promoting your film. So thank you for the initial words, but we're going to come back with more. But yes, it's definitely a huge thanks to our management, trustees, principal ma'am, HODs, coordinators, teachers, students for making this happen. And they are the ones, you usually might think that it's the students who ask for all the celebrities, but in our case, we have it the opposite way. We have our teachers and our management supporting us so much with these things. They are always pushing people to bring the best people to encourage them and the students. So a big thank you for coming and taking time out of your busy schedules. I'm sure you have a lot of promoting to do, and there's one place after the other that you're going to go to. So I would like to ask our team. Yes, sir.
So अभी ना guys, आज हम बहुत मजा करने वाले हैं because हमारी अपनी बच्ची कॉलेज में है और मिस्टर आयुष शर्मा भी कॉलेज में है, तो आप ठाकुर वाला टक्कर दिखा के रहेंगे. So are you all excited? Are you all ready? So guys, now we are playing the trailer of Antim, और इतनी जोर से ताली बजाओ कि सलमान सर चंडीगढ़ में है, तालियों की आवाज उन तक जानी चाहिए. So friends, here we have trailer of Antim, the final truth.
Oh, sir, I'm sure you have a lot to say about this, don't you?
Guys, एक बार सलमान खान फिल्म्स के लिए हिप 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 हिप. And now 3 cheers for Ayush and Mahima. Hip 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 hip.
Sir, I had a question to ask you personally. So, speaking of the last film that you did, Love Actually, it's a very romantic role that you had. Now, how was the transition from being a romance hero to becoming a villain in the film? Was it a difficult transition for you, or was it as fun as the last time?
See, last time I had to dance a lot. This time I had to fight a lot, eat a lot, make a big body, and do everything that I'm not in real life. So I think it was very difficult for me to play this character, get into the skin of this character, and understand. Because I'm not from Maharashtra, so I didn't know the whole idea, the language, the behavior and everything. But it was fun. I would say it was fun. And I think it was more fun because Mahima was there, just Rangala
Thank you, sir. And Mahima, what was your experience like? Like we want to know everything that you felt, what it was to constantly, be in the hustle mode and going every day to these shoots. And I mean, just tell us what you felt and how was it a game changer for you in your career? I think this is nothing less than a dream come true and a very big opportunity because I had an opportunity to start my Bollywood career with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, and this very amazing actor that we have to watch out for. So I had an opportunity where I could, make my transition from television to Bollywood, and I couldn't have had a better start. So it was amazing, and I feel really happy that I got to be a project which is a great script and बाकी तो सब लोग देख ही लेंगे. Well, we have a couple of surprises planned for you from a little performance here and there from our very, very talented students who see you and get inspired every single day. So for you to enjoy that, we have to have you sit there in front of the stage to enjoy the performances to the fullest. So team, can we have our beloved guests please take their seats?
सादा हटना अरे पिछो
Alright, before we start with the performances, can we have a huge round of applause once again for Ayush and Mahima. Alright, now the next performance is by a very, very talented young singer from our college. And I'm sure most of you heard him during a mic test and were wowed कि ये कौन है भैया, इसका performance तो सुनना ही है. So before we call upon other people and delay the wonderful singing event, let us call Vasu on stage, who's going to be performing a song from the film Anjan. I'm really hoping that Ayush sir and Mahima love this performance because that's not the only one. We have two other things planned for them to welcome them and wish their movie all the very best. So can we have Vasu? Yes. Vasu, would you like to, just say hi to our guests?
Hi Ayush sir. Hi Mahima ma'am. First of all, congratulations for the movie. The trailer is so good. I haven't watched the movie yet, but I will go with all my friends. I'll be performing होने लगा from your movie. I really hope तुम दोनों को अच्छा लगे. I love you both. I really hope you enjoy my performance. Thank you so much.
All the best, Vasu. Kill it. Do cheer them up. Can we all have a loud cheer from the audience because you Wonderful. Thanks Vasu for soothing our ears because we really loved your performance and I'm sure Ayush sir and Mahima did as well. Very lucky, very lucky. See, that's so sweet, Ayush was trying to get to know all the girls before dancing with them, which is something we don't really see a lot. That means he cares, and don't we all love men who care. So that's a plus.
अरे यहाँ से नीचे जा
Guys, surely friendly होना चाहिए. Constantly I want your voices up in the air. So guys, please cheer for the group of girls here, along with Ayush sir, who've got a golden opportunity. so much, sir. Yes, please.
You know, honestly, I'm here to promote my script, but this song is quite a boring song to dance on. I just want to be honest. So, three cheers to this guy who has really made this song a very nice dancing song. I didn't know he can do a Michael Jackson. And your moves are fab, brother. I must tell you that. I must tell you that. But anyway, still stream this song, huh?
I guess you guys already knew, right, that you were going to get this golden opportunity. While it looked very random, I'm sure they were preparing for days for this moment. So congratulations to you guys, right? The socializing, let's give it a moment.
I really want to thank you because, you know, when I was a student, I was a very big introvert. So every time I used to come on stage, I would be like, I can't do anything, I can't dance, I will, you know. See where life has got me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, girls. We'll see you back on stage very soon, hopefully. Now, speaking of Mahima, you know, I'm sure it's not only the girls wooing over Ayush sir, but there are a bunch of guys who have seen her and heard of her and, you know, maybe been lucky to see her in college as well. Would you guys like to ask some questions to Mahima that you guys have time to know from someone as beautiful as her? So, Mahima, can we have you on stage? Give it up, guys. She's our student. Be as loud as you can. And also scream louder because, oh my god, look at her. Look at her. So beautiful. And she has these two friends here who've come here to support her. And that's wonderful. Great Wiley, actually. Well, we want to know if anyone in the audience has something to ask her, and if not, it has to be you guys. Right? So, if anyone wants to ask a question, please raise your hand. Oh, the girl that I see here in red, yes. Please, can we have a mic passed on to her?
So first, you are my huge fan here since Shubharam.
Thank you.
So my question was for you, like, you know, you have acted since a child. So how did you balance acting and education? Like, wasn't it difficult? Like,
It was definitely not an easy task to simultaneously complete my studies and do what I was doing. But I think when you have such a great principal and such a great faculty to support you, life becomes easy. So I think I should thank them, Thakur College, Deepak sir, for making my school life, college life a lot more easier. So I think it was difficult, but I think you have to do what you have to do, man.
That. Okay, so I would not like to ask the audience another question, but I'd like to ask the friends, Rishi and Miley, to say what you feel when you have a friend who's that popular. You know, what is it that crosses your mind? Do you feel, I mean, what is it? What do you feel? Would you like to say a few words of compliments to Mahima here? Because daily basis pe to masti chalti hai.
Miley, Rishi, you better not say things about me.
Of course, hi. So Mahima has always been the hard worker in the room. We've always seen her working, missing her lectures for her work, and she really deserves this.
Wow. It's always great to have a supportive team of friends, family, people around you. Because when you're so passionate about something as Mahima is, it is impossible to go and grab it if nobody is there on your side. So I think a big shout out to you guys. Also, Rishi, is there something you would like to say?
Hi. So, even I've come here in this auditorium after such a long time, and that's thanks to Mahima, and thanks to Ayush for making such a wonderful movie. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mahima and Ayush Rathi? So, Mahima, I think there's a lot of things that a lot of people might know about Mahima or come to know about Mahima. But the end of the day, she is the sweetest celebrity you will ever come across. And you know, it takes a lot to be so popular, to work with such amazing and such beautiful people, and obviously to work with the man himself, Salman Khan, and still to be as grounded as Mahima. I think she just deserves a lot of applause for that. So it's really great, and all of us Mahima's friends, we're so proud of you, and we only want you to go up, but then again come back to this college every time you promote your movie. So yeah, once again guys, a huge round of applause to Mahima Mawara and Ayush Sharma. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mahima. You know, it really makes us feel so warmly of you because of how modest you are about what you do, and I think that is what makes you special. So thank you so much for being the way you are. And I just remember a glimpse where I was giving an exam paper next to her, and she will not ever make it obvious of the things that she does, and that is, I think, something that makes her really great. So a huge round of applause for Mahima again, and we shall continue with this further. Thank you very much. Alright, so while we all know that we are here today, not only because of our management team, our management of the college, but we are here for Team Tarangan. And there is something that we'd like Ayush sir and Mahima to see as well, along with you guys who've made Tarangan so very special. So we have a little something we want to show you on behalf of our team here. So team, can we have it? Can we have the trailer, please? Okay, sir. So we also have a couple of questions that we'd like to ask you, and with your permission, we'd like to call upon a few students here. Guys, can I have you all back on stage, please? Guys, chillana shuru ho gaya, sir on stage, right? We're proud to have you. We're excited to have you, and we need to show how excited we are because बहुत बैठ के घर पे लॉकडाउन में अब चिल्लाने का वक्त आ चुका है. Guys, can I have you on stage quickly, please? सर थोड़े से नर्वस है बच्चे हमारे क्योंकि आपके सामने बहुत लोग नर्वस हो जाते हैं.
मैम पहले मुझे सर मत बोलिए प्लीज. मैं बूढ़ा नहीं हूँ. मैं महिमा से 2 साल छोटा हूँ. जी बस 1 साल ही बड़ा हूँ, महिमा से 2 साल छोटा हूँ. That's it. Please sir मत बोलिए.
Thank you, sir. Okay, we have our ladies back on stage. आप प्लान कर चुके हैं कि आपको इनके साथ करना है. ठीक है, चलिए आ जाइए. Please ask your questions one by one.
So, what are your thoughts about our Festa? What are your thoughts about our Festa?
I think it's a beautiful festival. During my last film, I had gone to many colleges to promote, but this time around, I've come after the whole COVID situation. To come back to a college, to see this kind of warmth, to see this kind of love, I think it's beautiful, it's amazing, and I would really want to thank Mahima for suggesting that we should all come to Thakur College. And thank you so much, all of you, for having us over.
As Mahima was our college student and she described her feelings, would you like to describe your feelings about college life and like your some experience?
I would refrain from that because any suggestion I give, ma'am will throw me out from here. Yeah. See, I was studying in Jain College with my attendance not being 40% but being 80%. So, but I was lucky. I don't think 80% converts into becoming a movie star. No, please don't do that. Ma'am, sorry, I generally did spend too much time in college. I was chilling in Bombay. Well, that should not be the moral of the story.
Okay, I'm so sorry, just cut me off. So, Ayush, ये जो सब students हैं वो तो आ गए, but हमारे कुछ teachers हैं जो आपकी बहुत बड़ी fan हैं, and वहाँ पे teacher ने बोला कि आयुष को पूछो कि उसके college की एक memory बताए.
जी मेरे लिए सबसे अधिक fond memory है because I was not from Bombay. I didn't grow up in Bombay. So when I got admitted to Jain College, that time I remember there used to be a canteen, very Jain is a good canteen, and there used to be a guy called John. So I asked him, I was like, is your name real John? He said, no, my name is Rakesh. So I said, why people call you John? He said, because John Abraham used to sit here and have a dosa. And that's why I used to serve him, so I have been called John. So I remember that for a time, I felt one day there will be a guy who will say, I'm Ayush, because he used to eat dosa here.
Oh my God!
But you know, I would like to really share a very personal memory, because you know, when I was in college, I remember in my first year, there used to be an HOD called Mary Ma'am. And Mary Ma'am saw my horrible attendance. And she called me one day and she said, why are you in college? You don't want to study. And I'm this 41 kilo boy, very thin boy. And she looked at me and she said, why don't you try acting? And I looked at her and said, ma'am, me and acting. Look at me, I'm 41 kilos. So she said, no, I think you can be an actor. So today, I really thank Mary Ma'am for giving me this dream, for making me pursue acting. And that's what I feel about our principal as well, who always supported Mahima. So I think when somewhere down the line, you always look at teachers like, you know, okay, it's all about education. But somewhere down the line, they help you also develop you as a person who you are in future.
Guys, कितनी प्यारी मेमोरी सुनाई. जितने टीचर्स हैं सब हाथ उठाओ कमान. जितने टीचर्स हैं सब जोर से सब लोग ताली बजाओ. Ayush, one kind kiss towards all our lovely teachers.
Can I hug them instead?
Oh, that will be awesome.
That will be better.
Hello. I think this is the list for our teachers. Getting a nice warm hug from Ayush, sir.
Come on, guys!
Boys, sorry, unfortunately, we cannot allow you to hug right now. Okay? We're sorry if you're breaking your expectations. Yeah, she's thanking me because I don't know why. You have to be a very close friend of us to be able to hug us. So I'm very sorry to disappoint.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Guys, so ये भाई का बर्थडे सॉन्ग इस बार हर बर्थडे पे बजना चाहिए, okay? And we are definitely remembering Salman bhai. I hope one day Salman sir will be here and ये stage पे और घूमना चाहिए. Guys, but अंतिम फिल्म के लिए and of course for Ayush and Mahima, we have a little cake cutting ceremony. So I would request Principal Ma'am also to join. Ma'am, please, it's a humble request. And गाइस सबको अंतिम देखना है। कल मेरा प्रिंसिपल मैम का और वाइस प्रिंसिपल का प्लान हो गया है। आप लोग अपना देख लो, ठीक है? हम लोग कल साथ में अंतिम देखने जा रहे हैं और मैडम ने प्रॉमिस किया है कि कॉलेज के टीचर्स को जो अंतिम देखने जाएगा मैम कल छुट्टी देने वाली है। Guys, before we have this beautiful cake done, on behalf of Thakur College of Science and Commerce, I request Principal Ma'am to felicitate Ayush Sharma. Can we have the bouquet up on stage, please? So, our token of love and appreciation for Ayush. एक बार जोरदार ताली आयुष शर्मा के लिए। Guys, इंडियन फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी में एक नए सुपरस्टार की एंट्री हो चुकी है और उनका नाम है आयुष शर्मा। And now guys, I request Principal Ma'am to felicitate जो कभी वहां पर बैठी थी और आज यहाँ पर है और पूरे देश में ठाकुर कॉलेज का नाम रोशन कर रही है, मायना मकवाना। Guys, this being 25th year of our college, it is very special. And this is also 75th year of India का अमृत महोत्सव, आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव. So it's a huge celebration throughout the year, and we are so happy to have Ayush and Mahima with us on this particular stage. Guys, एक final बार and then we have cake cutting. So एक बार आयुष और महिमा की पूरी टीम के लिए, एसकेएफ टीम के लिए जोरदार तालियां. And एक बार उन सब कोविड वॉरियर्स के लिए जोरदार तालियां जिन्होंने बहुत एफर्ट लिया. And now we have things up and running again. Come on guys, make some noise. So now let's do the honors in Antim ka style. Principal Ma'am wishes to speak something. So, Principal Ma'am, over to you.
Yeah. So, good afternoon, all my students. Okay. So, we have Ayush and Mahima with us. I have something to say. Deepak had forgotten me, but I wanted to speak for Mahima. Ayush, please excuse me. You are also a very handsome boy. Amitabh se bhi upar बढ़ जाओगे. I bless you for that. महिमा मैं थोड़ा बताना चाहती हूँ. Mahima's attendance was 40-50% always. That's also a very good attendance. Where some of them don't give at all, doing nothing. She did a lot, and then all the exams that she gave, she did it with flying colors. One incident I want to share with all of you. One day she came running to me. She missed one of the paper because of a shoot. And she was in all those dresses और मम्मा के साथ आई है. इसकी मम्मी इससे भी ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Actually, her mother is more good looking than her. And she asked me, ma'am, can you help me with that exam? The glitter and the tears that I saw in her eyes, I said, 100% I will allow you for the exam. And a separate paper was made and she gave the exam. That's Mahima. Why I'm saying you is that, why I'm saying you all this that, She did lot for her family. She did lot for the society. She did lot for the college. And today she stands here. First, you require to do something to get something. So that's our Mahima. His people.
And of course, Principal Ma'am, और सब कुछ साथ से होता है तो महिमा को अच्छे टीचर्स मिले और अब उन्हें आयुष का साथ मिला, सलमान सर का साथ मिला एंड आई एम श्योर उसके और भी अच्छे लोगों का साथ मिलेगा और वो इन सब के साथ सलमान खान सर के साथ आयुष सर के साथ जो अगली फिल्म बनाएगी शायद अंतिम 2 आएगी या अंतिम 3 आए 4 आए 5 आए एंड वी वांट this अंतिम not to be the अंतिम film. This is just a beginning. Come on, make some noise for Ayush and make some noise for Mahima Makwara.
और एक बात है, Monday को we got very excited. Early morning or Sunday night, Deepak calls me and tells me कि सलमान खान आ रहा है. मैंने क्या बात है? सलमान जी आ रहे हैं? मेरे लिए तो खुशी की बात है. Immediately हाँ बोल दिया and all the engagement started. Then I had a certain very important assignment yesterday at 4 o'clock. So I called him back and I asked, Deepak, if it is confirmed, I will cancel my assignment. He said, ma'am, just give me 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it was, no, he's not coming because of the COVID situation. And maybe protocol follow करने के लिए और वो सब सारी ठाकुर विलेज, ठाकुर कॉम्प्लेक्स आ जाती थी इसके लिए वो रोकने के लिए did come. But let me tell you, जो भी सलमान खान के जो प्रोडक्शन वाले हैं, मैं भगवान को बहुत प्रार्थना करती हूँ. भगवान नहीं मिलते हैं. आज मुझे सलमान नहीं मिला, कहाँ से भगवान मिलेगा मुझे?
Ma'am, just a small request. I've been here, I've been standing on stage and I'm feeling very weird. Yeah, I don't like being here. And this whole idea has been looking very cool to me, this student body. If you allow, can I go there and take a selfie with everyone?
can start the Olympics on the way. We want to say that my classmates, thank you so much. Your everything is now exciting.